Hey everybody, Kelly Driver here. Welcome to my acrylic pouring channel. This video today is part 2 of the video I've just posted before this one. So I suggest that you watch part 1 before watching this one. However, you can watch this one in its own right and learn a different technique. But it's probably better to start with part 1 and see where this painting started and where it's ending up now. So jump over to part 1. I'll put it in the a link in here. And but anyway, if you do want to watch along, that's cool. And let's have some fun. Thank you. Now this is the dried result of the artwork and I believe it's super pretty, really, really pretty. I really love it. So as I was watching it dry and I discovered it was splitting, as you can see, particularly bad just here and a bit down there. So it's split. Now this has happened because I had used this canvas once before for one of my earliest acrylic pours that I did, and there was varnish on it, and so that was permanent. So I tried sanding back the varnish a bit and applying gesso over the top. The remaining part of the painting is all beautiful, no damage at all. But those 2 patches there have meant that this is it's not sellable in its current condition. However, if I do something more, I can repair these parts, these 2 sections, 1 and 2. And what I'm thinking of doing is this stencil. So my concept is to put it off center and to put it in a position about like that, which means it covers this section here of the damage and this section here of the damage. And I reckon that's going to look really cool on there and could be beautiful for, I don't know, the person I thought of as one of my nieces might love to have something like that on their bedroom. So I'm going to do that with gold. So let's get started. Okay, got my gel medium ready, which is Matisse brand, which is an Australian brand. And then over the top of the gel medium, I'm going to put the iridescent gold. So I've learned from my experience with doing stencils that you have to work quite quickly. Okay, and then I put the paint over the top. And then we'll peel off the stencil. Okay, that must do. That must do. I must stop. I must stop because it will, the stencil will get stuck on there. who doesn't think a golden unicorn is beautiful? Well, this has turned out pretty great. Pretty great, I think. I really like what I've done here. I really like it. So we'll see how it dries, and I'll bring you in for a close-up when after it's dry. Here she is in all her beauty. It's turned out just lovely. I've put a beautiful coat of high gloss varnish over the top, and it has come up a treat. Absolute treat. And it has fixed the, I managed to fix the cracking in the base by putting the gel in first and then painting over the top. And my unicorn is beautiful. Colours are beautiful. Hello, there's my signature. And I'm really very pleased. What do you think? Have I done a good job at saving a beautiful painting? My mum thought that it looked like the unicorn was blowing bubbles. I didn't even notice that, but I think she's right. It does look like that. So maybe it's an underwater unicorn in an ocean of pink blowing bubbles. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, actually the 2 videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.